In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Insurgency Sandstorm with a keyboard and mouse on Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up an Xbox keyboard and mouse to play Insurgency Sandstorm. So, the game actually features full keyboard and mouse support, even for consoles. All that you have to do to enable this option, as weird as this may seem, is to actually enable crossplay. You will only be able to use a keyboard and mouse natively within Insurgency Sandstorm if you enable crossplay. So when you go over to matchmaking, before you queue into it, you will be able to choose the regions and you can select the option to enable crossplay. Like I mentioned, you will only be allowed to use keyboard and mouse if you enable this, because by enabling crossplay, you will now be matched up against other PC players, so it equals the playing field. So when you enable crossplay, you will be good to go. Connect the keyboard and mouse to any of the available USB ports on your Xbox console and you are ready to play. Alternatively, you can also go over to these settings and you will find the binds options, where you can change various different settings related to the keyboard and mouse that you are using. So you can change settings related to the game menus, the movement, shooting, aiming, and so on. And you will be able to change the sensitivity, the buttons, the binds, and as long as you have crossplay enabled and you properly connected the keyboard and mouse to your Xbox console, you will be able to play them on any mode. You need to keep crossplay enabled, and as long as crossplay is enabled before matchmaking, you will be good to go to use those peripherals to play Insurgency Sandstorm on your Xbox console. To my knowledge, this is only available on Xbox because PlayStation does not feature crossplay, but you can still try to use a keyboard and mouse combo in there if you prefer. But for Xbox, this is going to work flawlessly as soon as you enable crossplay and you connect the keyboard and mouse to the inputs. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Insurgency Sandstorm with keyboard and mouse on Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.